Hey.
Hey.
What's up, man? What are you doing?
I'm sanding the floor, getting it ready for vinyl.
Okay, so this is where we got it all dried up. So you're just trying to get it even, ready to go.
Yep.
Okay. Okay,
yep,
everybody.
just getting all the ridges, any high spots. You can see the high spots over there. Seeing basically the entire floor down, and when I take my hand and I know that it's smooth and I know that it's ready, I'll sweep it up and we get the vinyl laid out, fold half of it back and glue half, and then spread that out, make sure the bubbles are out of that. I'll cut that part in, so I'm going to go from the back to the front and work myself out the door.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Hey, Jay, what's up?
Getting ready to clean the room out and get ready for vinyl.
Okay, cool. Doesn't look happy, everybody. Hello, Jay. Jeremy here too. What are you guys doing?
We're using our feet propping the vinyl, getting it laid in place where it needs to go. We have to go at a 45-degree angle in order not to put creases in the vinyl.
Okay.
And we're going to spread it out, and then we're going to back roll it, and we're going to buzz this wall here. That will be our start point.
Okay.
And we're going to let both edges hang, and I had to get an extra 3 inches on each side. That way I had room to play, be able to get everything, and this side's going to hang this way so I can cut the doorway in.
Okay. So what about this vinyl here? Is it decent?
It is very high quality vinyl. A cushion back vinyl, actually. It could be loose laid or glued down. Really nice stuff. Brother has put that in apartments and never even glued it.
That's his brother.
So.
Okay, cool.
Really, really good stuff. Excited to get this done because I think it's going to go really quick.
Cool.
Actually, we need to do this one. Let's go up over it.
And this is called backfilling?
And back rolling.
Back rolling.
Let's watch the creases though. Yep, just like that.
And what we're going to do is we'll come back over here and we'll actually back roll the whole.
Back roll the whole thing down.
Yep.
As far as we can that way.
Ready?
Yes. Like that. Keep going. With this material, we can actually bend this slightly on this side and scoot. Then we're going to bring the material back. I'm going to get centered. That way I can start blocking it in, which means cutting it in. So then I can figure out how exactly I need to position so I can glue.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing. So we'll put a foot about right there, over, about there. Hold it. Let's turn. Yep, like that. Then I can go that. You're out.
And what he's going to be doing is butting his side to the wall.
Yep, just like that. We're about there. About there now.
Like I said, I have 17 foot.
Okay. You can step over the screen and drop it. I'll position it wherever I need to. So fold that out, get that crease out of that corner. That's what you don't want to have creases. You step back on my side, and we'll go ahead and finish the bottom out. Up overheads.
Hang on.
Look at all that natural wood, baby. Hey, I think they
I'm
did.
lining the wall up. This is our butt edge. It's called a butt edge because that way you're gonna put drywall and stuff anyways. You know what I'm saying? They actually they gave you quite a bit more than they should have.
So, hey, you know what we could do, Jay? We can redo my bathrooms.
That ain't gonna be your bathroom.
I got small bathrooms, people.
Right. I'm not piecing that up. Okay.
He's gonna do my bathrooms. I won't lie.
So I need you still in here over on that side because I need you to kind of push out that way and relieve that corner. See where it's heavy?
Yep. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Just don't tap it. Actually, Jeremy, can you get in that corner and pull that up? Look, no, he can do it.
Okay.
He's actually heavy on the corner. Just pull that corner up.
All right, which way you want to go?
I'm gonna go that way.
Toward me?
Yes, it can be short. I'll fix it.
You good?
Yeah, pretty much. I just don't need bubbles. That's what I'm working at. Not to have. I want the least amount to be here, more of the amount to be that way.
So you're gonna be able to kick that out a little bit?
Yeah.
You good?
So you see, kind of see when I want it to be a little heavy here. That's way heavy there. I'll cut that off. But I'm gonna butt this wall.
But this wall. The back wall with the sign on it.
So when I block this in, I'm gonna fold this back first, gluing that side down, glue this side.
Okay.
That way, work yourself right out this door.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
So this bay door, halfway in between, when I fold this back, that'll be locked in, which means it won't move at that point. So that's once I get that done, we're good.
So anything else?
I'm pretty much self. Well, I can do it myself after it's locked in. You know what I mean?
You want to kick into that corner back toward this way?
I'm going to slightly, yeah. I mean, like I said, he's doing the vinyl way early from the walls, so I have a lot more room to work with because I don't have to be perfect, but I'm trying to be as perfect as I can.
So the reason why we're going early for the vinyl, which would be the last step, to be honest with you, is I'm still waiting for my electrical permit to come in.
So I'm going to go this way just slightly.
So I'm not allowed to do any kind of roughing. I'm not allowed to do any kind of electrical until after
Right there.
I get the permit. So now that it's almost 80 degrees out here, that's why we're doing it.
It is. It's beautiful outside. We're good. That's good.
Good?
No, like you said, this is the only spot that was the kink, and I will use that glue and I'll fix that. That's what you do when you use this stuff. You have to work the kinks out.
So we got one kink.
It's one little kink right there.
One little kink. I guess we don't like kink in our relationships. So yeah, there you go.
Well, you use the glue and you manipulate the vinyl and you push that out.
Okay. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jeremy.
You're welcome.
And we're going to let Jay start gluing it down, and then I will actually just take a couple shots of that just to leave him alone. Yes, this is the wifey right here. She's going to check out the vinyl before we put it all the way in to make sure she approves. There we go. So what do you think?
Purchased sight unseen by Mr. Smith without even looking at it.
Yeah, but he says this is premium vinyl, so we're good.
Oh, it's nice stuff. This is a lot better than he had in the kitchen.
Oh, is it?
The kitchen was hell.
Huh.
The kitchen was like this. It was paperback, and every time we tried to bend it and go around something, it would break.
Really?
This, I could roll this up like a paper towel, and it's just, yeah, it's awesome.
I think once you actually get some walls, it'll look nice. But right now, we're well dressed up.
We did a really good fine sand on it after we were done, so there's no like little pebbles or no bull crap, so it's all good.
So what do you think?
It'll be great for my garden shed.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, that's what it eventually is gonna be. Oh, I see.
The shade is coming out, people. First time on the video.
We're gonna make some lock points around these doorways, so when I fold this back to glue it, it won't move.
Okay.
The excess here, I'm gonna cut this off. This is not gonna be used today.
Are we gonna put it in my bathroom?
You are.
Okay, cool.
Anyways, I'm gonna make some slits around these doors, make sure everything's locked in where it won't move. Then I'm gonna fold this part back this way, glue this, and you'll show that once that's done, then I'll take the towel on the board and push all the air bubbles towards the walls. It's like a canvas of a painting. You just push everything out, make everything smooth and flat.
Okay, cool.
And that's about it.
What's up? Thank you.
I am getting ready to glue this floor down.
Okay, so you're starting out on to...
Everything is ready to go. I point back here. I fold everything back, like I said, towards that door.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is glue this side. I'm gonna take a towel and a board. I'm gonna push all the bubbles out towards the walls, flatten everything out. Let it set up. Once it's set up, I'm gonna pull the other side back. I'm gonna glue it and then cut it and finish.
So you're just meeting in the middle.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I'm not meeting in the middle. I'm gonna stop in the middle, fold it over, then I'm gonna continue that way.
Okay. So we'll get to the next part here in a few
Out
minutes.
towards the wall. And so, pushing it out into the corners at a 45-degree angle.
Okay. Why 45?
Because you have to push it out like canvas of painting. All the bubbles have to go out. Because they'll get trapped if you don't. You do half and half. They'll get trapped in the middle, and then you'll have to take a needle and bleed the bubbles out.
Oh.
You don't want to do that to your vinyl because then it vacates the warranty on the vinyl.
Okay.
So you just make sure that you install it right. You see where everything's heavy. You push all those air bubbles out while the vinyl's heavy. Let it set up. I do the whole floor. Then I cut it in.
So you already got half of it glued down?
It's already half of it's glued. Yeah. It's that quick.
Okay. So, we got half of it down. Now what are you doing?
Okay, so observe in this corner, see the legs of the glue are sticky on this side, right here. See that? We have to penetrate that and re-glue that whole edge. That way we know that our perimeter is sealed and finished towards the door.
Okay.
That's what we're doing. So we're gonna push the bubbles out this way. So we went half that way, half this way. Make sure everything's flat. Don't cut anything in until you know that all your bubbles are gone.
Okay, so you are going that
We are
way.
going to trowel the rest of this. I'm going to pull this back out. Once that's done, then I have to keep spreading that towel and that board along, push all the bubbles out all the corners. Once I'm secure and I know that everything's done right, then I can start cutting it.
Okay.
You cannot cut it in until you're sure that all the bubbles are released.
Okay, cool.
Because
Thank
otherwise you're going to have problems with vinyl. You're going to have bubbles throughout the entire vinyl.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem.
So you're gonna start gluing it in.
Right.
So you're gluing in from the corner and.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Just keep it away from yourself and keep it on something solid. That way you don't have indentation in your vinyl.
Okay.
See how you have that double layer there?
I got you. So it's
That
not
way
putting
it
a
doesn't
divot.
put an indent in your vinyl. So.
Look at all that glue, my friend.
It's a messy business, but gets the job done.
But you've went to the door right now. So when you get to this edge where we're at on the exterior of the,
Do me a favor.
yeah.
Grab that bucket, put it on that chair or something. I'll sign.
Okay. What are you doing, Jay? Cool. Thank you.
I am blocking this in. The gas bubbles are still releasing. I pushed them all out. I believe it's flat. It's ready to be cut in. So getting ready to. It's getting evening time. We're running out of daylight, so we got lights. But we will get this done this evening.
Cool, cool, cool. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Do not reverse any P pass invert. Yeah, we don't need. Hey, man, everything is looking beautiful. What else we got left? Just that last door?
That last door, wrapping it up. Everything's sealed. We got caulk the door jambs later, probably over the weekend. Besides that, everything's ready to go for drywall and the ceiling.
Oh my God, you guys, look at this. This looks, dude, this looks great. It almost looks like a real wood floor. So how do you feel about it?
I'm happy with it. I just want to make sure this the last part because it has to be done perfect.
The last part where it comes to the
It
door.
goes against this metal because it's so tight.
Okay.
Everything else is notched in because drywall's going up, so I don't have to be exactly perfect, but I was really close.
No, it
There's a
looks
couple little spots, but for the most part, everything's really tight. So.
okay. So I'll let you finish this up. Once again, this is Jay. Been a buddy for the last 50 years almost. And but yeah, he's gonna finish up this last part that he talked about working the doorway. After that gets done, we're gonna have some pizza.
Yep.
Thanks, Jay, man. I appreciate it.
No problem.